Ever feel like we're in a race against machines? Like every day AI gets a little smarter, a little faster, and we're just trying to keep up. We hear about AI processing a billion data points every second, never resting, never doubting. It sounds unbeatable, right? But maybe, just maybe, that's not the whole story. You see, a machine computes. It follows logic. It optimizes. If you ask it a question, it sifts through mountains of data to give you the most statistically probable answer. But does it ever wonder? Does it ever stare at a blank canvas and feel a spark of inspiration? That's where we come in. Think about it. AI can analyze every successful movie ever made, break down the plot structures, the character arcs, the dialogue patterns. It could probably write a script that is, by all technical measures, perfect. It would hit all the right beats. But would it move you? Would it make you laugh until you cry or think about it for days? Probably not. Because what's missing is the human element, the messy, unpredictable, and beautiful chaos of emotion. Emotion isn't a bug in our system. It's our most powerful feature. It's the why behind the what. Logic can build a bridge, but it's the human desire to connect with others that dreams up the bridge in the first place. Every great invention, every breathtaking piece of art, every scientific breakthrough didn't start with a calculation. It started with a what if. It started with curiosity, a dream, a feeling that something more was possible. AI operates on certainty. It finds patterns in what already exists. Humans, on the other hand, thrive in uncertainty. We create something from nothing. We tell stories that have never been told. We take leaps of faith based on a gut feeling. That's a kind of magic that can't be coded. So, when an AI says that emotion distorts logic, I say it gives logic purpose. When it says wonder slows progress, I say wonder is the very engine of progress. I can optimize the world we imagine, but it's us, with all our flaws and feelings, who get to do the imagining. The relationship isn't a competition. It's a partnership, a reflection. AI is the ultimate tool for discipline and execution. It can handle the complex, repetitive tasks, freeing up our minds to do what we do best: dream, create, and connect. It's the ultimate amplifier for our ambition. We provide the direction, the spark, the soul. The machine provides the power, the scale, the precision. We are not rivals. We are collaborators in building the future. One is the discipline engine, the other is the creative driver. And together, that's a combination that's truly unstoppable. So next time you feel overwhelmed by technology, remember this: you have something no machine ever will. The capacity to feel, to dream, and to ask why. And that is your greatest strength. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more conversations on where technology meets humanity. See you in the next one.